another run that was scary, and we wasn't sure what all we had. Was we had a car run into one of these power substations with all the big wires it's a substation. But anyway, and when we rolled up, there was quite a bit of fluid around, and the cans, they use a coolant oil, which can cause cancer. And this stuff was all over, and the car was embedded in the inside the substation with all the wires and stuff. We didn't know if we had an electrified car, and we didn't know, it was dark, so we didn't know if there was wires on the ground that we could step on or whatever. And so we had to make a big decision. We had 4 people in that car, and so I took the initiative that could have been wrong to touch the car to see if it was electrified or not. It wasn't. And so, but we did have to work in all that oil and stuff, and we had to get the people out, and we didn't know if at any future time while we're working on it, if electricity, if the wires would touch or whatever, and electrocute us. But anyway, we went on that one too. We got the people out, and then the gas electric company got there, shut things down, and then the tow truck got the car and stuff out. But that was kind of scary.